everyone. Hope you all are safe and good at your home. So I'm your SST teacher once again with you. So as you all know that we have already started our new chapter, that is occupation. And we have already covered the many topics of this chapter, and today we are going to move on rest topic of this chapter. Okay, now firstly, before starting today's topic, firstly I am going to ask some question, so you have to try to answer all these question. Okay, now you all know that our chapter name is occupations. Okay, and you all know that Hindi meaning of occupation means व्यवसाय. Okay, now occupation. So first, your first question is, what is occupation? What is occupation? Means whenever you learn anything, okay, whenever you learn anything, so firstly you have to know the details of that chapter, this chapter, or details of that thing. Okay, now you have learned about occupations in your previous video also and today's video. So firstly you have to know what is occupation. So yes, occupation is any work. Occupation is any work that help to earn his or her livelihood. Okay, occupation is any work that help to earn his and her livelihood is called occupation. Okay, so what your next question are, what are milch animals? Yes, so the answer is, animals who give us milk are known as milch animals. Example, cow, buffalo, goat, etc. Clear? Now hope you all understood all the topics that we have already learned in our previous video. But before starting today's topic, firstly we are going to revise that topic. Okay, and then after we will come on our today's topic video. Today's topic. Okay, now you all know that in our previous video we have started our chapter occupations. So firstly in our previous video we have already discussed about the occupation. So now what is occupation? Occupation is any work, कोई भी काम, any profession, any work that help to earn. Okay, कमाने में जो help करता है किस चीज को? Any occupation, any work that help to earn his and her livelihood is called as occupation. Okay, now in India people do different types of work to earn their livelihood. Some people are depending on agriculture, some people are rearing animals, some people works in fields, some people work in factories, and most of the people of India is depends on agriculture. ओके, मैक्सिमम लोग जो है इंडिया के वो एग्रीकल्चर पे डिपेंड है. नाउ दिस डिपेंडेंस इज डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली. ओके, ये डायरेक्टली भी हो सकता है, इनडायरेक्टली भी हो सकता है. नाउ मैक्सिमम परसेंटेज ऑफ people of India depends directly or indirectly on agriculture. Rest of the people doing cattle rearing. Okay, and some people works in offices and they do their own business. Clear? Now in our last video we have already discussed about agriculture. So people of India do agriculture. Okay, they grow crops in their field and after harvesting they sell that crops in market and earn money from that crops. Okay, they grow vegetables, fruits, crops, oil seeds, etc. Clear? Some people rear cattle. Okay, some people rear cattle. We get milk from milch animals. They rear cow, buffalo, goat, and they get milk from these animals. Some people rear sheep. They get what? They get hair from the sheep. Okay, they get wool from the sheep, and from that wool, why wool is used and why wool is important? Because from the wool of the sheep or the hair of the sheep, we make what? We make clothes. Okay, the clothes that we wear in winter season is made up of or are made up of wool. Okay, so that's why cattle are also important for us. We get many more things from cattle. Some people do poetry farming. ठीक है, कुछ लोग जो होते हैं पोइट्री फार्मिंग का काम करते हैं. Some people have poultry farm where they kept hens, duck, chickens and many other birds. Okay, from these birds they get meat of these birds and chicken and eggs. Okay, and they sold and sell into markets and get money from it. Okay, now let's move on our today's topic, and today we are going to discuss about fishing. Clear? So our today's topic is fishing. So my dear student, fishing is one of the most famous occupation of the people who lives in coastal areas. Okay, फिशिंग जो है वो उन लोगों का मेन ऑक्यूपेशन है जो कोस्टल एरियाज में रहते हैं. एंड नाउ पीपल हु कैच फिशेस फॉर देयर लाइवलीहुड दे आर नोन एज फिशर्स. ठीक है, जो आदमी अपनी अर्न के लिए, अपनी मनी के लिए फिशेस को कैच करते हैं, दे आर नोन एज फिशर्स. क्लियर? मीन्स इनका प्रोफेशन ही यही है. ये क्या करते हैं? फिशेस को कैच करते हैं and they sell these fishes into market. Okay, now the people who live in the coastal areas, they perform and they catch fishes, and the people who catch the fishes is known as fisher. Now fishes are kept in ponds, rivers, lakes, etc., and they catch these fishes from that places. They also make their own pond and kept fishes on it. Okay, now fish farm and fisheries are the place where fishes are kept and breed. Okay, now people kept fishes in ponds and fisheries for what? For their occupation, for their business. And here fishes can breed, and most of the fishes are of different color, different size. Clear? So let's move on our next topic, that is working in forest. Working in forest means our next topic is working in forest. Clear? Working in forest. Is it clear? Now students, our earth, the most part of our earth is covered with forest. Okay, most of the part of earth is covered with forest, and you all know that we get many more things from forest. Okay, and people who lives near the forest, they depends on forest for their earning, for their livelihood. Okay, they cut timbers of the trees. Clear? They are engaged, the people who lives near the forest, they are engaged to cut the trees and timbers. Okay, and you all know that trees are very useful for us, and the timber and the wood of the trees is used to make different types of furnitures, paper, etc. Okay, and we also get some medicinal things from trees. Okay, and trees are the main source of oxygen. Clear? So we get oxygen from trees, and many people collect gum and rubber from the forest, and most of the people are depend on the forest for their earning, and forest provides work to millions of people on of our earth. Okay, clear? So today we have covered fishing. Firstly, we did revision of our last topic, then we cover fishing and working in forest. Okay, so beta, hope everything is clear. फिशिंग इज ऑल्सो क्लियर. फिशिंग क्या होता है? अपने ऑक्यूपेशन के लिए, अपने व्यवसाय के लिए, अपने अर्निंग के लिए, जो पीपल मैक्सिमम पीपल ऑफ द कोस्टल एरिया catch fishes for their occupation, for their earning. Okay, and the people who catch fishes for their earning, for their occupation, they are known as fishers. Many people kept fishes in their ponds. Okay, and many people do business of this fishing. बहुत से लोग जो है अपना बिजनेस करते हैं फिशिंग का. They catch fishes from different sources and they sold it, they sell into market. Okay, ये क्या करते हैं? मार्केट में सेल करते हैं. मैक्सिमम पीपल ऑफ द कोस्टल एरिया डिपेंड्स ऑन दिस ऑक्यूपेशन ओनली. ठीक है, बहुत से लोग जो हैं वो डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली फिशिंग पे ही जो फिशिंग पे ही डिपेंड है in coastal areas. Okay, not all around the world. Next is working in forest. So the people who lives in near the forest, they are also depends on forest. Okay, they also depend on forest. They get many things from forest and they sell it into markets for their earning. Okay, and we get more and more and more things from forest. So hope you all enjoyed today's session and hope everything is clear now. So I think it is sufficient for today, and in our next video we will discuss very interesting topic. So if you want to know what's our next topic, so be continue with me. Okay, thank you so much for watching me. Have a great day.